Good evening, friends. Today we are going to start second unit, that is architecture of 8051 microcontroller. This unit consists of introduction, then features of 8051, then block diagram of 8051, followed by pin diagram of 8051, oscillator and clock, then stack pointer, then followed by concept of external memory, counters and timers, serial data output transfers, and interrupts. The first 8-bit microcontroller was developed by Intel in 1976. It was named as MCS 48, which was followed by its advanced version named as MCS 51. Then in 1981, the microcontroller named as 8051 was invented. Basically, this microcontroller 8051 was easy to integrate, and also it is having the lower cost. That's why this is most widely used microcontroller around the world. The application area of 8051 is energy management, automobiles, medical devices, robotics, security, touchscreen devices, household devices, and many more. So let's start with the uh, features of 8051. This 8051 is having 8-bit CPU with 8-bit CPU with two 8-bit registers named as accumulator and register B. So 8051 is having two 8-bit registers named as accumulator and register B. Basically, as microprocessor 8085, all the arithmetical operations are performed in accumulator and its result again stored into accumulator. Then it is having 16-bit it is having two 16-bit registers named as PC, that is program counter, and DPTR, that is data pointer. So we know the use of program counter. Program counter is the register which is used to hold the address of next instruction to be executed. And in following lectures we are going to see the use of register B, that register DPTR, that is data pointer. Then 8051 is having 4 kilobytes of internal read-only memory. That is, this is basically flash memory which is used in the system programming, not available for users. Then it is having 8-bit PSW. PSW means our flag register. Okay. Then it is having internal RAM of 256 byte. This internal RAM of 256 bytes is divided into number of sub registers or sub memories, such as it is having 4 register banks, bank 0 to bank 3. Each register bank is containing 8 registers. Each register bank is containing 8 registers and it is having the 4 register banks. So it has total 32 bytes used for register bank. Its 32 bytes are used for register banks. Then its 16 bytes area is bit level addressable, which is addressed at bit level. Then it is having 80 bytes of total 80 bytes of uh, memory used for general purpose data memory. Then another 128 byte of RAM is used for SFR, that is special function registers. These special function registers are used for controlling different peripherals like timers, serial ports, and all input output ports. So basically this is the bifurcation of 256 bytes internal RAM, among which 32 bytes are used for the 4 register banks. Each register bank having 8 bits. So 8 multiplied by 4, 32 bytes. Then it is having 16 bytes of area as bit addressable region, and 128 bytes, and 80 bytes used for general purpose data memory, and 128 bytes are used as special function register. So in this way, this total 256 bytes area of internal RAM is divided in 8051. Then it is having 32 IO pins. So it has 4 ports, port 0 to P3. Each port is having 8 bits. So among these 32 IO pins, 4 ports, each port is having 8 pins. 4 ports are used for IO purpose, that is 32 pins are used for IO purpose. Then it is having two 16-bit timers counters. Basically these registers T0 and T1 are used as 16-bit timers or counters. Then it is having control registers named as SCON, PCON, TCON, TMOD, IP and IE, which are used for the purpose of controlling the timers, counters and the interrupts. It is having the on-chip clock register. The 8051 microcontroller is having 16-bit address bus. Again, as 8085, it is divided into two parts of 8 bits. The higher addresses, that is A8 to A15, that is port 2, and another one is AD0 to AD7. It is basically typing mistake. It should be AD7. AD0 to AD7, that is port 0, is multiplexed address and data bus. This port 0 can be used for data as well as address. Then it is having two types of interrupts named as internal interrupt 2 and external interrupt. It is having 8051 is having 2 external interrupts and 3 internal interrupts. Then 8051 microcontroller is having the serial data transmitter and receiver for full duplex operation, that is SBuffer, serial buffer. It is used for serial data transmitter and receiver and for full duplex operation, and it is having the 8-bit stack pointer, that is SP. So all these are the features of 8051.